Yes, Mataji.
Yes. So we have completed the Guru Pranam. Now we'll go into the session. Today we will see a first sloka. First sloka, I think many of you know it, no? In Bhagavad Gita, what is the first sloka? Most of you know it. Only see, Bhagavad Gita contains how many verses? 700 verses.
700.
Out of which Dhritarashtra, who spoke the first verse? Dhritarashtra. Dhritarashtra spoke the first verse. So it was only one verse which Dhritarashtra spoke. So that is the easiest one and many of you know. So we will see that verse today. And we'll see a story on called Gita family. Rhymes, I think the same rhyme because nobody has sent me the audio. So I thought I'll do it again. Until all kids send me the rhymes, we'll sing the same rhyme. Okay? Then we'll see a short movie. Yes. So shall we start with the quiz? Are you all ready?
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
Yes. Anjali is new to the class. Is it so? Anjali,
Yes, ma'am.
you have joined today only, no? Previously you was there in last session?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes, Anjali. You want to say something?
Ma'am.
I'm not able to hear you.
Ma'am. Mataji.
Yes, Anjali. You want to say something?
मैम मैं पुरानी हूँ तो मेरे घर के जो प्रॉब्लम थे तो उसके लिए मैं नहीं ले पा रही थी.
Okay. You are not able to attend due to some problem. That is what I understood. Okay. So we'll go into the quiz without wasting further time. Did you all hear the bhajan in the opening? Have you heard Prabhupada's bhajan?
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
So when you are all going to sing bhajans?
Yes, Mataji. Excuse me, Mataji.
Yes.
That Mare Krishna Rakhi ke poem, you only sang the voice, the music, the recording, but you didn't send the lyrics, and I've been trying to find on Google, but it's wrong.
Which one? The rhymes? Huh? Rhymes. Are you saying the rhymes?
Yes.
Yes. But we are sharing the video, no? The entire video of last class. If you can see it, it will be there. But anyway, this time I'll send the lyrics of rhymes also. Okay? Yes. Thank you for reminding. I'll send it. Okay. So I'm sharing the link. So what was the story which we saw last session? The dog and the horse. Do you all remember? Tenali Raman story, dog and the horse.
Yes.
Yes. So based on that only this quiz is based entirely on that story.
Mataji, I didn't read the story, so I cannot do the quiz because I didn't see the story only.
Okay. You just try. Last class you attended, no, Maulishri? You had the story? If you remember it, you can attend.
No,
Okay.
Mataji, I didn't. I was not there in that
Okay,
class because I
okay.
was sick.
Okay, then you can skip the quiz. Okay,
Ma'am?
next time you can do it. Yes.
Mataji?
Yes.
Ma'am, मैंने भी नहीं
You were also not there. Okay. Both of you need not attend it. Others, they can join. Yes. Shall we start? Everybody has joined. Sanithya, Maulishri, Riyan, Shashika, Aditya, Rudra, Manik Reddy, Nandita, Samiksha, Gurushai, Saisha. Yes. Shall
Ma'am,
we start?
ma'am,
Yes.
can you send the link again?
Again. Yes. Yes. Got it? Yes. Anjali has also joined. You can try. Maulishri, you can also try. Okay. Shall we start?
Yes,
Yes.
Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
Yes. Yes. Here we go. Hari Bol, Hare Krishna. The quiz is very easy today. If you had listened the story carefully, it is very easy to answer. Yes. Yes, we have completed half of the quiz. Riyansh is reading, followed by Nandita, Gurusai, Yashika, Saisha.
भी वही आ रहा बोला तो उधर से प्रॉब्लम हुआ है क्या
Just 2 more questions to go. Nandita is leading, followed by Riyansh, Gurusai, Ashika, Saisha.
Ma'am, it is blurry. I can't see.
This is the last question. There may be many options. So I have given tick all the learnings from the story. There may be more than one right answer. You have to select all the right answers. So with that, we are come to the end of the quiz. So you can see the leaderboard. Nandita is leading, followed by Riyansh, Gurusai, Ashika, Saisha. Okay, I'll share the results. Hari Bol. Did you enjoy the quiz?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes. So Maulishri didn't attend the quiz. Is it so?
Yes,
Mataji.
Yes.
I attended the quiz.
You attended. Okay. Good. Yes, Anjali.
Mataji and Freya.
Freya, yes, Freya, tell me.
I also not joined quiz.
Why?
Because
You were not.
Mataji.
Last week you weren't there in the class.
Mataji.
Yes. Okay. Yes, Anjali.
मैम मैंने भी ज्वाइन किया.
You also joined. Good. Very good. Very good. You can try. See, Krishna always sees our endeavor. It is not the result. What effort you put, that only Krishna sees. Okay. So, shall we go into the session? So we have
Mataji. Story. Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Mataji, but it is blurry, so I can't see anything.
Okay. Nothing. There is nothing in the screen now. So we'll go to the story. We have. We'll complete the sloka and then we'll go to the story. Is it good? So we'll go to the sloka first. It is a very easy sloka. This time everybody has to recite it and send it to me. Okay? There is no excuse. Only if you recite the sloka properly, from next time onwards, we'll take more slokas. Okay? This is very easy.
Mataji, your skin is bloody.
Still.
It is very blurry. Mataji, you can send the link of the shloka in the
Yes,
chat.
that also I'll say. That also I'll say.
Mom, it's still blur.
Still it is blurred. I have sent the link. You can click on the link and see the chat box. I have sent the link. Okay, you can just click on the link. Whoever is not able to see, you can click on that. I think now it is clear. Okay. Hare Krishna. Okay, shall we start reciting?
Yes, Mataji.
Hare Krishna. So this is the first sloka of Bhagavad Gita. So I want every one of you to recite. Yes, Maulishri, after that, okay. Okay, Maulishri.
It's still blur.
You can click the link I have sent to the chat box. No, you can click it. In your screen, it will get opened. Yes, Maulishri, you can recite.
Mataji, can I?
Yes, first Maulishri, let Maulishri recite. She raised her hand first. Yes, Maulishri. Dhritarashtra uvacha.
Drashtra uvacha
धर्मक्षेत्रे गुरुक्षेत्रे
Dharma
क्षेत्रे
Shri Tri Kuru
गुरुक्षेत्रे
Shri Tri
समवेता
Samaveta
युयुत्सवः
Yuyutsavaha
मामकाः
Ka Pandavas
पाण्डवाश्चैव
Chaiva
किम्
Kim
अकुर्वत
Kurvata Sanjaya.
Sanjaya. You would have heard this many times. Okay, kids, you can all unmute and word by word we'll recite. Okay, who is Dhritarashtra? First, I'll just tell you an overview. This happens at the battlefield. Both Pandavas and Kauravas are standing to fight between one another. At that time, Dhritarashtra is blind. You all know who is Dhritarashtra? He is the father of the Kauravas. So he is blind. He is not able to see what is happening. So he has an assistant called Sanjaya. So he is asking to Sanjaya. Sanjaya can see everything. Like we are sitting at our home and watching TV, no? Like that, Sanjaya has a special power. His Guru Maharaj has given him a special blessing that he can see everything, whatever is happening at the battlefield, sitting at his home. Like we watch TV from our home. Like that, Sanjaya is sitting at Dhritarashtra's palace and he can see whatever is happening at the battlefield. So Dhritarashtra is asking to Sanjaya, what is happening at the battlefield? That is what this verse is. Just it is this with this verse only the Gita starts. So shall we recite together one letter by one letter? Dhritarashtra uvacha.
Dhritarashtra Uvacha.
Very good. Everybody can unmute and you can sing. Dhritarashtra. Dhritarashtra uvacha. Uvacha means speaks. Dhritarashtra uvacha. So Dhritarashtra speaks. What does he speak? Dharma kshetre Kurukshetre. Two times we'll read. Dharma kshetre Kurukshetre Samaveta Yuyutsavaha Mamaka Pandavaschaiva Kim Akurvata Sanjaya. Okay, once again. Dhritarashtra uvacha Dharma kshetre Kurukshetre Samaveta Yuyutsavaha Mamaka Pandavaschaiva Kim Akurvata Sanjaya. Is it easy for you?
Yes, Mataji.
One more time. One more time. Line by line. Line by line we will do. Dhritarashtra uvacha Dharma kshetre Kurukshetre Samaveta Yuyutsavaha Mamaka Pandavaschaiva Kim Akurvata Sanjaya. Okay. So line by line once again. Dhritarashtra uvacha Dharma kshetre Kurukshetre Samaveta Yuyutsavaha Mamakav Pandavasyaiva. Kim akurvata Sanjaya. Yes. Okay. Two lines. Shall we recite 2 lines combined together? Will you be able to do it? Dhritarashtra Uvacha. Dharmakshetre Kurukshetre. Samaveta Mamakav Pandavasyaiva. Kim akurvata Sanjaya. Very good. Hari Bol. So everybody started reciting. So you have to practice this at your home. Okay. This week, kindly send your audio or video. This is very easy and it is very important. The first sloka of Bhagavad Gita. So you can send it. So what is the meaning? Dhritarashtra Uvacha means Dhritarashtra says. Uvacha means he says. What does he say? Dharma Kshetre Guru Kshetre. Where this battle, where did it happen? In the place of pilgrimage. Dharma Kshetre means place. So Dharma Kshetre means the place of pilgrimage. It is a very holy place. Guru Kshetre. It is also called Guru Kshetra. The name of the place is Guru Kshetra. You all know the battle happened between Pandavas and Kauravas at Guru Kshetra. So Dharma Kshetre, Guru Kshetra. In that place, Samaveta Yuyutsavaha. So assembled. Samaveta means everybody has got together. Everybody has assembled. All of them are staying together. Yuyutsavaha. Why they have joined together there? Why everybody has come there? Yuyutsavaha, with a desire to fight, not to enjoy or not to make a party. They have come there to fight against each other. So Samaveta Yuyutsavaha. Mamakav Pandavacha. Mamakav means my sons. Dhritarashtra is saying my sons. Who is Dhritarashtra's son? Who are Dhritarashtra's sons?
Duryodhan.
Yes, Duryodhan and everybody. Gauravas. How many sons Dhritarashtra has? 100 sons. He has 100 sons. So he is asking. All 100 sons is standing in one side. So Mamakav, my sons, and Pandavas Shaiva. Pandava means Pandavas Chan. How many sons Pandavas? How many are there Pandavas? 5. There are 5 sons of Pandu. Pandu is his father. So Pandu's sons are 5. So he is asking, what does my son and Pandava's son they are doing? Kim Akurvata Sanjaya. Kim means what? In Sanskrit, Kim means what? Kim Akurvata. What did they do? Sanjaya. Oh, Sanjaya. He is very eager. He is asking, what did they do? Both of them are standing each side. What did they do, Sanjaya? He is asking. So from this only Bhagavad Gita starts. Okay, you understood the meaning? Yes? Yes. Okay. Sanidhya, you want to recite? Yes, quickly. Yes, quickly you can recite.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes.
Dhritarashtra Uvacha.
Yes, Mataji.
Dharmakshetre Kurukshetre Samaveta Yuyutsavaha Mamakaha Pandavasyaiva Kurvata Sanjaya.
Hari Bol. Very nice. Very nice.
Mataji.
Yes, Nandita. Hari Bol. Nandita, you want to recite? If you know, you can recite. Otherwise, you can practice and then. Okay.
I know, Mataji.
Yes, Nandita, you can recite quickly.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes.
Dharashtara Uchava.
So, wait, 1 minute. Dhritarashtra Uvacha.
Dhritarashtra Uvacha. Dharmakshetra Kurukshetra Samaveta Yuyutsava Mamka Pandavasaiva Kimakritava Sanjaya.
Akurvata Sanjaya. See, if there is a line above the word A, it should be pronounced as A. Samaveta. It is not Samaveta, it is Samaveta. If there is a line above the letter, it is pronounced as A. Then, if there is a dot, you have to stress it. See, it is not Pandavas, it is Pandavas. Panda. It is da, ta, ta, da, da, that third da. So it is like that. Okay. When you practice it, it will come for you. Okay. Yes, Riyansh, you have already told. Nandita also you have recited. Okay. So we'll go into the next. You can practice and send me the audio. Okay. If possible, along with translation. Yes, Freya, yes, with that we'll end.
I want to recite with your help.
Yes, Freya, yes, proceed. Dhritarashtra uvacha
Rudrasha uvacha
dharmakshetre gurukshetre
dharma kshetre guru kshetre
samaveta yuyutsavaha
samaveta yu utsava
mamaka pandavaschaiva
manduva man
mamaka
mamaka
pandavaschaiva
pandava shweta
kim akurvata sanjaya.
team aturva sanjaya.
Okay, good try. You can practice, you will get it. Okay. Okay.
Yes,
So yes, you all practice and forward me the audio. Okay. So we'll go into the next slide. Shall we see the story? I think already it is late. So we'll see the story. Are you all ready for the story?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes. So we'll go into the story. Hare Krishna.
Yes, Mataji.
So today's story is Family for Gita. Yes. What is the title of the story? Hare Krishna.
With the family of Gita.
A family.
I can't see your screen.
A family for
I can't see your screen.
1 minute.
For Gita.
Yes. Are you able to see now?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes,
Mataji.
So it is a family for the Gita. This story is based from the instructive story teachings of Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. Who is Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur? These are
Srila Prabhupada.
Hari Bol. Yes, Riyansh has all the answers. So he is the Guru of Srila Prabhupada. You all know Srila Prabhupada, founder Acharya of ISKCON. So his Guru is Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. He is a spiritual master of Prabhupada. So from his teachings, this story is taken. So let us go into the story. Once a renowned spiritual master presented his disciple with a copy of the Holy Gita. So a spiritual master is giving a disciple a holy copy of Gita. Previously, it was only written in, what do you call this? It is not written in books. It is written on the bark of the tree. So the spiritual master is gifting a Gita to his disciple. Perfect your life by studying this Bhagavad Gita every day. So he is blessing his disciple and giving the Bhagavad Gita copy. I shall study regularly, Maharaj. So he is also very humbly accepting the Bhagavad Gita and he is assuring that he will study it regularly. So he started studying the Gita sitting inside a cave on the Vindhya hills. So he is sitting inside a cave. What is he studying? What we saw just now, no? The same sloka he is studying. Dharma Kshetre, Guru Kshetre. He started reading. Samaveta Yuyutsavaha Mamaka Pandavaschaiva Kimma Kurvata Sanjaya. So he started to recite the Gita. A small mouse in the cave started eating the pages of Gita every day. So he is living in the cave. There is no facilities inside the cave. What happened? A small mouse came and it started eating the pages of Gita every day. Oh my God, I am extremely irritated with this mouse. I will bring a kitten to stop the mischief of this mouse. So what this disciple thinks? He has to get rid of the mouse. So he thinks I'll get a kitten. Kitten means, what is kitten? It is the cat, small cat. It is the kid of a cat. So he says, I'll bring a kitten to stop the mischief of this mouse. So he brings a kitten. Now the mouse went away, but the kitten started to constantly cry for milk. When the kitten came, what happened? The mouse, it was afraid. So it ran away. The mouse ran away. But what happened? The kitten started to cry for milk, and this would cause the disturbance. So he was previously disturbed by the rat, but now he is disturbed by the cat. In order to stop the kitten's crying, I should provide him milk every day. So he needs to get the milk. But how he would acquire the milk? In consideration with all the problems in acquiring the milk, I strongly feel the need for keeping a cow. So he has to bring the milk every day. So he feels, I will bring a cow to feed the kitten. Are you able to understand, kids?
Yes, Mataji.
First, what happened? Which disturbed him first? Rat. So to get away with the rat, what he did? He brought a cat. Now what did the cat do? The cat constantly, it is crying for milk. Milk. So now he says, I should give milk for this cat. So he thinks of getting a cow. So I strongly feel the need for keeping a cow. By the grace of the Lord, one kind-hearted person gifted him one cow. So he was a poor Brahmin, no? But he's one rich man. He was very kind, and so he gifted him. He doesn't have any money. But some person, they came, see, he's studying Bhagavad Gita. So they felt we should also give him some present. So he gifted him with a cow. He's not buying, he's gifted with a cow. Hare Krishna. Kindly mute your mic, kids. Whenever I ask, then you can unmute and speak. Okay? Hare Krishna. Okay, so by the grace of the Lord, one kind-hearted person gifted one cow. Now the disciple built a barn with much labor and effort to make the cow stay safely and comfortably. See, the cow cannot wander like that, no? We need a house to stay. Likewise, the cow also, it has to have a house. It is called a barn. Cow's house is called a, what is it called? Barn. B-A-R-N. It is called barn. So he built a barn made of hay and everything. He built a barn for the cow. With much effort and labor, he put the cow in the barn. So I'm finding next what happens. Now we have to feed the cow. He says, I'm finding it very difficult to maintain the cow, providing her with regular fodder, water. Moreover, I'm spoiling my devotional performance while caring for this cow. So I think I need to appoint a cowherd. So next, what happens? He has to read the Bhagavad Gita daily. No, he is not able to read. He has to look after the cow. He has to give fodder to the cow. He has to give water. And also he has to milk the cow. He has to milk, no? So he has to milk the cow. It is also taking much of his time. So he thinks, I will appoint one person to look after the cow. See, one step by step, everything he is requiring. So I think I need to appoint a cowherd. You know cowherd? One who look after the cow. So in spite of... Yes, cowboy. Yes, cowboy. In spite, who are Krishna's friends? No, they're all cowherds only. Krishna friends are all cowherds only. No? Yes. So in spite of getting the cow, still I have anxiety of maintaining this cow. So even the cow comes, he's not peaceful. He's always thinking of how to look after the cow. So the cowherd, now he got a cowherd. The cowherd took charge of maintaining the cow. But then who was going to feed the cowherd? See, now the cow is taken care of. This cowherd man, he has to be fed. So who is going to feed the cowherd and look after his duties regularly? After much deliberation, finally the anxious student, he got married. What happened? He got married. See, somebody has to cook, no? He has to eat. This cowherd boy has to eat. So he thought, okay, I will marry and bring a wife. He can cook. So he got married, but he is not supposed to marry. What was his instruction? What did his guru say?
Study Bhagavad Gita.
Study Bhagavad Gita daily. That is what his guru said. But now see, one after the one another, he came to a point where he has to get married. So he got married. Then what happens? Gradually his family grew up. He acquired vast property, manpower, and a big palace. So one by one, everything got added up. From a small hut, he went on to build a big mansion. The student thus became an out and out family man, leaving aside his study of Gita. So what he started to read Gita. From there, a rat came, then a cat came, then a cow, and then a cowherd boy. And to look after all of them, he married, and then to look after the wife and children, he bought a house, and he became a full family man, full-time family man. He didn't have any time to read the Gita. So after a long lapse of time, his spiritual master, trying to find out his disciples' whereabouts, happened to come in front of the disciples' palace. So his spiritual master comes back, but he says there it is a big palace. So he was astonished. What is all this? He's asking. His guru was very much upset. He's asking, what is all this? My student is asking. He says, oh master, this family I had to build up for the sake of your holy Gita. Whether is it right what he says?
No.
He says, for the purpose of Gita, I have built the house. It is not for the purpose of Gita. He had so many anxieties. One by one, he added for occupying everything. He added one by one. So,
Mataji, he said lie.
yes, he's saying like it is not for the sake of Gita. It is for his own convenience. He has added everything. He got a rat. First rat disturbed. It is okay, but he could have some other way he could have done it. But he bought one by one. He bought it and he became a family man. So this is what happens.
Greedy.
Yes, he wanted more and more. He became greedy and he left reading Gita. This is what Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur says about the family man, from where one person goes to where. Let us just see, go through the purport. See, persons I don't think you can understand fully, but I'll just read and tell you the gist. Persons undertaking the rigors of celibacy, seclusion, and sannyasi as their ways of living, and so staying in a secluded holy place such as Math, away from home, for engrossing themselves in the devotional service of Lord Sri Hari, must also find themselves entangled in such a family for the sake of Gita, in case they become enchanted with the thoughts of daily wants and requirements, thus deceiving themselves in the name of favoring devotional service. See, what it says is, it is not for the purpose of Gita he wanted everything. It is for his own desire. See, he thought of daily wants and requirements. He was thinking daily, I have to do this, I have to do that. He never thought of reading Gita. He thought, I have to look after the cat, I have to look after the cow has to be fed. The daily wants and requirements repeatedly he is thinking, and he is cheating himself. Deceiving means he is cheating, justifying himself. For doing devotional service only, I'm getting this. But no, it is not like that. An honest person must be careful. He must not fall under the clutches of Maya. This is all Maya. Maya, the illusory energy, it is just telling him, you buy this, you buy that. So it has taken him away from the devotional service. So the material senses are always thirsty for object of sense gratification. So we become much attached to the physical comfort and dependent wife, children, and we plead to observe Yukta Vairagya, offering devotional service to Lord Hari. So what this says is, many of us desire to attain material reputation and fame and try to lord it over everything. This will cause utter spiritual destruction. So we should not aim for too many things. If we go on thinking, I need this, I need that, I'll get this, I'll get that. If this comes, I'll be happy. If that comes, I'll be happy. There is no end to it. It will go on like that. You cannot read the Bhagavad Gita and all. So you should be peaceful with whatever you have, and you should always continue doing the devotional service. And also you should pray for the mercy of the pure, honest devotees. You should keep the association of devotees. Whoever is praying to Lord Krishna, with them you have to speak. Then only you can discuss about Gita, you can sing the bhajans, and you can hear about Krishna. So you have to keep good association and you have to maintain your devotional service. You should not get carried away by the material things. So this is the moral of the story. Hare Krishna. So did you understand the story, kids?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. Hari bol. So next week quiz will be based on that story. And shall we see the rhymes again? One time we will see. I will share the link also. This is just 4 lines.
Yes, Mataji.
Hare Krishna. So this is the rhymes. One time I'll play it. Hare Krishna, Hare Bol. Are you able to hear?
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Rake Krishna, Hare Krishna, Rake Krishna, Hare Krishna wants to kill you, no one can save you. Krishna wants to save you, no one can kill you. Krishna wants to kill you, no one can save you. Krishna wants to save you, no one can kill you. Hare Krishna, Rake Krishna, Hare Krishna, Rake Krishna, Hare Krishna wants to kill you, no one can save you. Krishna wants to save you, no one can kill you. Krishna wants to kill you, no one can save you. Krishna wants to save you, no one can kill you. Hare Krishna, Rake Krishna, Hare Krishna, Rake Krishna, Hare Krishna wants to kill you, no one can save you. Krishna wants to save you, no one can kill you. Krishna wants to kill you, no one can save you. Krishna wants to save you, no one can kill you. Hare Krishna, Rake Krishna, Hare Krishna, Rake Krishna, Hare Krishna wants to kill you, no one can save you. Krishna wants to save you, no one can kill you. Krishna wants to kill you, no one can save you. Krishna wants to save you, no one can kill you. Krishna wants to save Krishna, Rake Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Excuse me, Mataji.
Yes, Hare Krishna.
Mataji, can you send this on the
Yes.
WhatsApp
Yes,
group?
I'll definitely send it. I'll send the link. I think I have sent it with the rhymes. You have
Can
not
you send
received?
it? Yes,
In Prahlad group, I have shared it in the group. This rhymes along with the audio I have shared. I
With
think
the audio? Yes,
yes.
I saw the audio, but I want the lyrics.
You want the
Mataji.
lyrics. Okay, I'll share it. I'll share it in the group. You can sing it. You can practice and you can send the audio. Okay. Okay. Only Ashika Todi had sent it. Nobody else had recited. Okay. I want you to recite this rhymes and also the first sloka. Both you can send it. Okay. And kids, did you see the YouTube channel? We have uploaded so many videos of you all kids, whatever you have given.
Yes, Mataji. Yes,
Yes. So many videos we have uploaded, so you can share all your celebrations and performances. Okay. So with that, we come to the end. Do you want to go for a movie?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, you want to see the movie? Yes. Okay. Yes, before that, anybody wants to say anything? Yes, Maulishri.
Can I sing that rhyme? Just
Okay. Okay. Once with that, we'll finish. Okay. You can sing.
one. Can you share it?
Yes. Yes.
Mari Krishna Rakhike, Rakhe Krishna Marike. Mari Krishna Rakhike, Rakhe Krishna Marike. Krishna wants to kill you, no one can save you. Krishna wants to save you, no one can kill you. Krishna wants to kill you, no one can save you. Krishna wants to save you, no one can kill you. Mari Krishna Rakhike, Rakhe Krishna Marike. Mari Krishna Rakhike, Rakhe Krishna Marike. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hari Bol.
Right?
Yes. Gavya, you want to sing? Yes. With Gavya, we'll finish. Yes, Gavya.
Hare Krishna, Rakhe Krishna Marike. Mare Krishna Rakhe Krishna Marike. Krishna wants to kill you, no one can save you. Krishna wants to save you, no one can kill you. Mare Krishna Rakhe Krishna Marike. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hari Bol. Yes, Saisha.
Ma'am, can I recite?
Let Saisha recite. Everybody has to be given a chance, no? Like, okay, Saisha.
I don't
Yes.
want to recite. I want to tell you that yesterday we went to Jagannath Yatra.
Yeah, I saw the pictures you have shared. Yes, you can share with me that pictures also. I'll share in Prahlad group. Where it was in Philadelphia, is right?
It was Philadelphia.
Philadelphia. Very good. It was nice. She had said, okay, I'll put it in group. I'll put it in our Prahlad group. We can also see. Saisha had gone for that Jagannath Yatra. You know Jagannath Yatra?
Yes, Mataji.
Jagannath. We saw, no, some few months back, we saw the celebrations of Yatra at Puri. So it happens all over the world. So Saisha had gone to Philadelphia and saw she's seen the Yatra and she had shared the pictures. I'll also share it in the group. Okay. Hari Bol. Yes. Okay. We'll go for the movie. It's already time. So it will take some 10-15 minutes. Okay. With this, we'll end the session and we'll go for the movie. Hari Bol. Hare Krishna.